6 over 2 into its simplest form, lowest term, or reduced form. To simplify the fraction 6 over 2, we need to divide numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor or greatest common divisor. 1 times 2 equal to 2, so 1 and 2 are the factors of 2. 1 times 6 equal to 6, 1 and 6 are the factors of 2, factors of 6. Then 2 times 3 equal to 6, so 2 and 3 are the factor of 6. The greatest common factor between these two numbers is this 2. So GCF, greatest common factor is 2 or greatest common divisor is 2. So divide this 6 by 2 and 2 by 2, you are getting 3 and 2 divided 1. That is 3 divided by 1 means 3. So this is the simplest form, lowest term or reduced form.